Hello friends, my name is Zahi and today we are going to read a book about STEM science. Scientist for a Day, written by Mackenzie Harper, illustrated by Lisa Lewis. It's take your side to work day. My friend Ella and I take a cab. Her mother is a scientist, and we were going to her lab. In a laboratory, it's safety first, so we have goggles for our eyes. Ella's lab coat is way too big. She needs a smaller size. We take a tour an enormous room filled with scales, test tubes, and flags. At one table stand two technicians wearing rubbers, gloves, and masks. With a magnifying glass, they study some bacteria. These are samples that we gather from the cafeteria. And we are doing experiment which is sort of like a test. We want to know which salt tomatoes glow in best. We drip a specimen on a slide using a pipette. Then, under a microscope lens, it is carefully set. A technician turns the knobs and gives each of us a chance to see itty bitty molecules move around and dance. Ella makes a rainbow with a prism. That's an example of refraction. Then her mom says to us, let's make a chemical reaction. Baking soda and vinegar, when they are combined, erupt like a volcano and we all get slimed. Oh, what fun science is! Both Ella and I say, we want to be scientists each and every day. The end.
STEAM science words used in this book. 1. Bacteria, microscopic organisms made up of one cell. 2. Baking soda, a white powder used to raise dough. It reacts with vinegar because it is a base. 3. Chemical reaction, when two different substances are mixed together and undergo a change. 4. Experiment, a test that is created to discover something unknown. 5. Flasks, rounded bottles with narrow necks. 6. Goggles, special glasses worn to protect your eyes. 7. Lab, short for laboratory. 8. Lab coat, a white coat that is worn in a laboratory to protect clothing. 9. Laboratory, a place used for scientific experiments. 10. Lens, a curved piece of glass that bends light rays passing through it. 11. Magnifying glass, a lens that makes objects appear larger. 12. Microscope, an instrument that makes really small objects appear larger. 13. Molecules, the smallest units of a substance that has all the properties of that substance. 14. Pipette, a long glass or plastic tube that is used to draw and release liquids. 15. Prism, a glass or crystal triangle-shaped object that light can pass through. 16. Refraction, the change in direction of a light wave, sound wave, or heat wave. 17. Scales, instruments used to weigh objects. 18. Science, a system of studying, testing, and experimenting things in nature. 19. Scientist, a person who works in some type of science. 20. Slide, a small piece of glass on which specimens can be placed to view through a microscope. 21. Specimen, a sample of something used for testing. 22. Technicians, people whose jobs require special skills. 23. Test tubes, thin glass tubes that are used in scientific experiments. 24. Vinegar, a sour liquid used to keep foods fresh. It reacts with baking soda because it is an acid.
I hope you have learned about this book. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.